If you're wondering how to offer tiered course access with different pricing levels, you've come to the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to set up pricing tiers for your online courses, no matter what software you're using. Stick around, because I'll also share a special free trial to one of the best platforms for course creators that you can follow along with today. When setting up tiered course access, the first step is deciding how many tiers you want to offer. The most common setup includes 3 tiers: a basic, intermediate, and premium level. Each tier should have clear benefits to justify the price difference. For example, your basic tier could include just access to the main course, while your premium tier might offer extra features like one-on-one coaching, bonus modules, or exclusive content. This makes it easy for your students to see the value in each level and make a decision based on their needs. Next, make sure each tier is priced appropriately. A good rule of thumb is to price your basic tier at an entry-level price, your mid-tier at a fair value for those looking for something extra, and your top tier should offer a significant bonus in value. This way, your students feel they're getting a good deal at every level. As for the pricing structure itself, most course platforms will allow you to set different prices for each tier, but some might require a bit more configuration. The software we'll be using today is incredibly easy to set up, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Once you've got the pricing structure set, it's time to configure the course access for each tier. With tiered pricing, you want to make sure that each tier gets the right level of content. This could mean different access to specific modules, bonus materials, or even community access. The software we're using today makes it super simple to lock content behind different paywalls for each tier, allowing your students to only access what they've paid for. But how do you actually promote these tiers and drive sales? The key is to market the premium tiers without underpricing the basic one. Use your landing page or sales copy to emphasize the value that comes with each tier. For example, highlight the coaching, exclusive content, or bonus resources available in the higher tier options. This will create a sense of urgency and exclusivity for your audience. You want them to feel like they're getting the best deal possible by upgrading to the next tier. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Offering tiered course access with different pricing levels is about balancing value and affordability. The more value you offer at each level, the more likely your students will be to upgrade. Set clear benefits, price each tier strategically, and ensure your content is locked in a way that makes sense for the price. To quickly recap, first, decide how many pricing tiers you want. Next, price them accordingly and offer increasing value with each tier. Then, configure the access for each tier so that the right content is available at the right level. And finally, promote the higher tiers by emphasizing their value. Don't forget, the software we use today makes all of this setup simple and straightforward, and if you want to follow along, you can take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available for viewers of this channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the free trial to get started today.